Outlook 2007 or 2010 calendar. Hide meetings in specific category. Question. Is there any easy way in Outlook 2007 or 2010 to show or hide meetings in a specific category? Preferably only for a specific view, the month view, in this case. Note, I was almost done writing this question, adding just one more, what I've tried, option, when I found an acceptable, though imperfect, solution. Remembering this blog post, I figured I might as well post it after all and answer it myself. And who knows, perhaps someone else has a more elegant solution. The reason for me personally is that I'd like to hide the small, recurring meetings like our daily stand-up meeting in the month view. I'd prefer an Outlook feature that is meant for this. There must be one for this, right? But I'm open to workarounds or plugin suggestions as well. What I expected to find somewhere was a list of categories, with added option, no category, where you could select or deselect from which categories you'd see meetings. Something like this mock-up. What I've tried. Edit, view settings, and use a filter on categories. This has several disadvantages. The major one is that the filter only allows me to choose what I want to show, but not what I want to hide. Even if I tick all categories but one for the filter, it would still hide any uncategorized meeting. Similar to one, but then using advanced filters. Still a bit clumsy as changing views can be up to 3 clicks, but this is the best solution so far. See the corresponding answer below. Creating a sub-calendar for these small meetings that I wish to hide. This felt a bit clumsy and like overkill, but did provide an easy select or deselect option to show or hide these meetings. Search for plugins that do this. Couldn't find one yet.
As promised above, here's my current answer to this question. Instructions are specific to Outlook 2007, but slight variations should also work for 2010 and 2013. In the View ribbon, click View Settings. Click the Filter option. Choose the Advanced tab. Add a rule on the field Frequently Used Fields, Categories. Enter the condition Doesn't Contain. Enter the exact category name under Value. Hit OK to close the dialogues. In the View ribbon, open Change View and choose Save Current View as a new view. Voila, now you have saved a view that filters meetings from certain categories. If you want to switch between the trimmed down view and the full calendar view, you can use the Change View button in the View ribbon.
I originally did the advanced filtering suggested here, but found they still show and clutter up the todo bar at the side of the emails as that has no filter option. I then came across this answer with the very simple, why didn't I think of that, solution of create another calendar. Now I have my reoccurring meetings and reminders separated out, allowing me to not miss the important ones.
I have edited the above answer with the necessary changes to make it work. In the View ribbon, click View Settings, click the Filter option, click the More Choices button, check off every category except the one you wish to exclude, switch to the SQL tab, check off the Edit these criteria directly. All other tabs will be unavailable. Box, add another category holiday with the same criteria to the list. Add one more piece of SQL syntax to the end. This will allow uncategorized calendar items to display. In the View ribbon, open Change View and choose Save Current View as a new view. Now you have saved a view that filters out meetings from certain categories. If you want to switch between the trimmed down view and the full calendar view, you can use the Change View button in the View ribbon. SQL syntax example.
I used your initial approach, thanks so much, but I wanted to hide the small, recurring appointments that I set for myself from appearing on my calendar. First thing I did was that I edited my small, recurring appointments for myself as low importance. Then additional changes at your number 3. Click the Advanced tab. Click Field pull-down menu under Define More Criteria. Click All Appointment Fields and select a Importance. Set condition to not equal to and then select value to low.
Function on.